Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your TikTok username and display name. It's quite simple and easy, just follow these simple steps. So first I need to open up TikTok application and get in my profile, and then I need to tap on edit profile button. And here I can see name and username section. Let's start from username. I can tap here and there I can change username for my account. I will tap here whatever I want, and now at the right I can see the green check mark that says me that this username is available to choose. If username is already taken, you will see this error message down below the text field, and so you need to change your username. And when you finished, you just tap on save button, and remember that you can change your username once every 30 days. And then let's get into name changing. I will just tap on my current name, and here I can write anything I want. I wrote this text, it's not able to be unique. I'll just tap on save button, and then I can open up my profile to check how my username here and the name here was changed. Remember that you can change your name in any time you want. So you know how to simple change your TikTok username and your TikTok display name. Make sure you like this video if this information was helpful for you, and see you next time.